some more tricks over there. Some nutrition bags. Unfortunately, I'm a heavy packer, can't travel light. Even on a bike, imagine that. Can you beat it? So the ride is ready. Taking off, sleeping down. So I had to deviate from my original route. On the Sestratara Masuri route. I had to take a quick stop at my mechanic's place. Ricky, it was really sweet of him to wake up early in the morning, around 5ish, and he had a quick look at my bike. So the disc pads were rubbing against the blade, and that's what was causing the noise, continuous noise, which was quite irritating. And finally, at the start of the ride, you don't want such things to be happening, right? Breaks your concentration, and it's of course not good for your bike. So here we are. So after 2.5 hours and almost 33 kilometers, reached on the top. Stay here. It's the morning sun. That's Dehradun really. And that's my vanity box here. MacBook 11 and batteries. Of course, you will number here.